Hey guys, Arkansas Garage here. Let me show you what I'm going to be doing today. I believe today I'm going to take this roll cage off of this Odyssey. I straightened it up some. As you can tell, the back looks a little better. It is still off a little bit, as you can tell. Like this right here doesn't look even. I'm gonna end up taking, you can unbolt them from here to here at all points. Unbolt it, try to bend it back as much as I can. After I take the roll cage off, I'm gonna take the engine off. And then basically just start taking everything apart here. I'd like to get all this repainted. I got a fuel tank that I'm going to put back here. I'll probably end up putting a piece of angle iron across here, piece of angle iron across here. As you can see, here's let me show you what I have planned doing. If I can do this with one hand. But anyways, I'll put this fuel tank somewhere along in here. And I got a couple pieces of angle that I'll end up welding on here somewhere. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna start a time lapse here, and we'll get started on this. Anyways, hope you enjoy. Alright guys, finally got everything taken apart. I'll show you what I got laying down on the floor here. You can see the roll cage has been taken off, and it's just a couple bolts up here up top here. These bolts, these in the back. These are the back ones that connect from right here down to here. Those are the side ones. Here's the front tub. That's what it looks like underneath so far. So what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to set this up on some sawhorses and get my wire brush, start cleaning it up, and get ready to paint it. Anyways guys, I'm going to pause the video here. I think the next time you're going to see it, I'm going to have it probably sanded down and get ready to paint. Alright, I'm back. Got everything painted. Well, not everything, but I got some of it painted. I'll show you what I got. Notice you look at the J-arms here. They're all nice and painted. Here's the frame. Let me zoom out some. There we go. Got the frame totally stripped. Wire brushed it, sanded it. It's looking pretty snazzy. This is where the J-arms connect to, and the shocks here. Everything's looking pretty good. Here's the other J-arm. Here is the steering column. Here's the front hubs. I'll end up sanding these. And then here is the roll cage. You can tell how off it is. If you look at the back here, it's laying flat on the ground. This one here is touching the ground, and as you can see on this one, it's off pretty bad. I'll tear that down and try to straighten it out as best as I can. But this is the end of this video, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Make sure you like and subscribe.